Are you sure?
Yeah. So fat. Oh God. Hello, phone. I had something to throw. Oh wait, I do have something to throw. Oh, okay. There she goes. Probably just be easier to film it through the camera.
Ha ha ha! I forgot about that.
You can just hit record, you know. And you get night vision.
Yes.
And throw a llama at you.
Do you want to sing your Mrs. Dalrymple song?
I don't know a Mrs. Dalrymple song.
Yeah, like you're. Oh, that's right. The audience doesn't know that because
I don't know it. I made it up. I forgot it.
No, I know. I recorded it, just the audio, and what I wish I would have done is taken the camera
and
film it so then I can put it on. Then I could have gone on YouTube. So anyway, see. Any last words? How about piss off?
That was it. That's all I got.